Me I'm gonna make some talk, and me can't just make it gossip. I have to say something too. You know, I know some yard me there, and I dad them shoot me a video and say, yo, you don't know that brother here? I'm a pray for them, I feel say right, in the H is a crash out. Nah, like, much as me I laugh off man and I say, a sample man this, Me never dare go forward and say, like, me a youth in a two talky, But then the idiot go call me name. And they say him go wrong, Him go call me name, so I have to come and come defend myself, you dig me? Yo, I try to don't even know that video, they irritate me. Cause right now, the man make the rest of the letter them look like so we soft out, Like so we we feelings or something, we none of we not stay so, Matter of fact, right now, Jay have him as an idiot and a fool, Actually, don't know the rest of the letter them a talk about, Suppose me showing our levels right now, say, me used to run the alphabet passy, Me I did it done, But through my leg off of them thing there right now, and I pray God, why me tap team a certain way, and show him say, yo, don't call up my name, Yo, me a sweat in your hat. You know, hair see. Yo, me hear the brother say, yo, if Turkey say, him gone. Me a feel say, whatever they think him be. If you want to go here, go on, no man. Man, move like so nobody go miss him out about if Turkey say. Me wonder if him really realize that, him a crash out. Jamaican people are sample people, Them not take nothing serious, Yo, see the comment them under the video, and everybody a take them and be fool, and let me assure you, but I never say nothing, It's either him confused and just ungrateful. Because right now when you pre the thing, Jamaicans use him all over the place, Every time say boy, him not like how them use him. A different crash out that now, me can understand that. But as me say, hungry is when me there, so I call me name about this and that and this and them something there. You know, say, this him a try this me on the side, so you know see that. I bet you when him ask this, him a go ask you, and me I set people against him and them thing. Because if you pre the thing on a different levels, And me, them put in place more while them fear use him, But if you don't know me, me a youth enough fasted people, I'm not really business, because me antisocial, Suppose I make you know, say, me have a reason to crash out like how him want crash out. Because if you pre the thing on a deeper levels, Jamaicans don't really rate me that much neither, and I'm going to show you, But hear me, me not going to do that because guess what? If me if you go crash out, I'm going to plug out this and dark up the place, and nobody not going to want that. Yo, once one end drop in front of me, me done fine. Prayer, bend, send, friend, defend, and that's better what you do with, man. You the man make the whole of it look bad. Not show me, G. Oh, you are yard man and I'm used to soft and I crash out. I must some uptown or something in Barn and girl. Probably dog go hell. Since him love your name call and him thing. Me don't know. Me thought to you straight, you dig me? You see that crash out something there? And I hate that, bro. You see as a yard man, you have to turn up firm, bro, and stop shake it. Hold on. No, but no post a part there because I know the boy why I go want to say something. Hear me now, bro. All me I try to say to you is this, bro. As a big man, as a yard man, you have to turn up on your toe foot them, brother. And hold up, brother. You can't weak out, so you dig me? Matter of fact, me don't even have no foot, and me I hold it. So you must can't hold it, bro. Get yourself together.